To send crypto via PayPal, you first need to understand that PayPal has introduced a feature to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. However, sending crypto directly from PayPal to an external wallet is not possible due to regulatory restrictions and security measures. Instead, you can follow these steps to achieve your goal. First, ensure your PayPal account is verified and you have completed any necessary identity checks. Next, purchase the cryptocurrency you want to send using your PayPal balance or linked payment method. After purchasing the cryptocurrency, you will need to transfer it to a compatible external wallet that supports the same cryptocurrency. To do this, you will have to first withdraw the cryptocurrency from PayPal to a compatible exchange or brokerage platform, such as Coinbase or Kraken, that supports PayPal withdrawals. Once you have transferred your cryptocurrency to the exchange or brokerage platform, you can then send it to the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to double-check the recipient's wallet address to avoid any errors. It is essential to note that PayPal charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and the recipient's wallet may also charge fees for receiving the cryptocurrency. Be aware of these fees before initiating the transaction. Additionally, keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are generally irreversible, so it is crucial to exercise caution and ensure you are sending the cryptocurrency to the correct address. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees and risks, you can successfully send crypto via PayPal to an external wallet. It is always a good idea to stay informed about any updates or changes to PayPal's cryptocurrency policies and fees to ensure a smooth transaction process.